Now, all of us know what the derivative with respect to x of sine of x is. Derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. cos cosine of x. And we also have learned that derivative with respect to x of cosine of x is equal to negative sine of x. But we didn't talk about derivatives of other four basic trigonometric functions, and those are tangent of x, cotangent of x, secant of x, and cosecant of x. I'm not going to prove it to you in this video, and we did derive the derivative equation for tangent in the last video when we were talking about quotient rule, and we wrote tangent of x as sine of x over cosine of x, and we used quotient rule to evaluate the derivative. But I'm not going to prove any of this in this video, but I'm still going to tell you what it is so you can memorize them and be ready for your AP test. Let's look at the first one. Derivative with respect to x of tangent of x is secant squared of x. Derivative with respect to x of cotangent of x is negative cosecant squared of x. Third one, derivative with respect to x of secant of x is secant of x times tangent of x. Fourth and the last one, derivative with respect to x of cosecant of x is negative cosecant of x cotangent of x. One easy way to remember the signs is by looking at if we start with if we start with c, like in cotangent, cosecant, and I guess cosine, the answer is going to start with negative sign. If not, it's going to start with positive. And for tangent, it's going to be secant squared. For cotangent, you have a sign, then you have cosecant squared. Secant, you have secant tangent. Cosecant, you got cosecant cotangent. And remember to put the minus sign.